This 2024 Entegra Coach Odyssey 30Z is a Class C RV. It is located in Latham, New York, 12110 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Albany. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Entegra Coach Odyssey 30Z is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.